So now let's talk about Pi Cloud. So what is Pi Cloud? Pi Cloud Services is a suite of SaaS or software as a service offerings that are managed by AVEVA now. They were previously managed by OSIsoft, but since the acquisition, AVEVA has taken over those responsibilities and has incorporated the Pi Cloud Services as part of the AVEVA Data Hub platform. So technically speaking, the Pi Cloud nomenclature is outdated, and now it's just AVEVA Data Hub. So if you've heard the term OSIsoft Cloud Services, that's the same thing, just relabeled as AVEVA Data Hub. But what the service does is it leverages the cloud to work, kind of in concert with your traditional on-premise Pi products to scale up your solutions and enhance the security. And I'll explain how while playing this video here. So what you see in this video is an example of a production facility that needs to share data with multiple other companies. So, this would include, for example, a supplier that, needs to share ingredient quantities, production information with the distributor or plant data with the headquarters, so on and so forth, right? There's all these different, customers that need the data shared from Pi. So Pi Cloud can enable that because what Pi Cloud does is connect the data as well as the infrastructure so that the asset framework elements that you have inside of your Pi server can be shared to other Pi servers, right? So you can use Pi Cloud Connect to replicate entire sections of your Pi server's asset framework to other Pi servers, thus, delivering the necessary information to the right consumers. And this is great because it's on the cloud, you're actually mitigating your on-premise footprint, and thus you have a very low need for IT maintenance. So let's talk a little bit about the configuration process, which you can see on this page here, the Pi Cloud Connect configuration screen. So the way the Pi Cloud is set up is by using a publication and subscription model. So the user will set up a publication where they select the asset framework elements from the asset framework hierarchy on the left side right here to choose the parts of the structure that they want to share on Pi Cloud Connect. And then they invite the subscribers to that publication, which you can see with this red arrow right here, which enables them to transfer the AF structure to the users, to the subscribers over the cloud. So you can see that this process is comparatively very easy, when contrasting it with non-cloud solutions across company networks.